What's up, guys? This is Sonoma HVAC doing a toolbox tour breakdown. We'll talk about the OEM ratcheting wrenches, metric and SAE. This is 5/16 to 3/4. This is 8 to 19. Don't skip any sizes. I'll put the part numbers in the description, but yeah, they're really nice finish. I'm impressed. They call them ring stop pliers. Wrenches. Super smooth. Get it to focus. The cases, I think it's EVA foam, and this is I don't know if it's hard either, but carbon fiber is what I was trying to think of. That's a 3/4. But this is the SAE set. Metric set. Sorry. Pretty nice little logo. I think he did a really good job with this line of tools. Nice selector. They feel good in the hand. I used several of them. Tolerance is pretty good, for what people might call a cheap set, but they definitely work for what I do. So, but again, I'll put the part numbers in the description. But so it's pretty thick foam, carbon fiber. Almost said microfiber. But anyways, guys, that's just a quick video. I'm gonna start breaking down all the stuff in my toolbox. So you guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks, guys.